Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can turn any photo to be monochrome or black and white using Canva. So I have this stock picture of a children playground which I think has a lot of colors. So I'm going to remove that and I'm going to turn the picture to look like something that was taken 50, 60, maybe 100 years ago. That's going to be black and white. There are only two colors. First, you have to click on the photo, click edit image, and you want to scroll down and you want to open the filters menu. So click select all. You'll see that there are so many filters you could apply to the image, but the one that we want to apply is the monochrome effect. So there is classic, there is also the ink effect, there is also noir, and if you scroll even further you will see even more options. And I think I want to use maybe newspaper. I think that look pretty cool and it's pretty sharp. And also you have the option to adjust the intensity of the monochrome effect. You can lower it if you want to make some color to stay in the picture, but you can also set it to be maximum, so there is almost no color on the picture. So that is one method to do that, and I think it looks pretty cool. But there is also another method that you might be interested to try. So let me go back and remove the filter. Now click on the image again, go to edit image and select duotone. The duotone effect is available in this effect menu, and I want to select custom. So basically we can select what color can be applied to the dark area and also the color for the light area. So for the light area, I think I'm going to use the color yellow. I think it looks pretty cool. Okay, and the shadow, which is the dark area, is going to be maybe close to red. I think that looks very interesting, or maybe not. I think blue is also great. Yeah, blue is very interesting. So yeah, that is duotone effect. It is not technically black and white, but it still falls under the category of monochrome because there are only two colors in here. And I think there is some good looking aesthetic by using this technique. Or maybe you want to achieve certain look, then you can use the duotone effect. Anyway, that's exactly how you can turn your photo to be monochrome or black and white in Canva.